rise and shine. I woke up in a good mood today, guys, if you can't tell. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a what I eat in a day. I'm just gonna be sharing everything that I eat today. So I woke up pretty early. Like lately, I've been waking up early. I'm not gonna lie, a few months ago, I was waking up like 10:30, 11. Nowadays, it's been like 9 a.m. So I am up, it's 9:30-ish. Anyways, I am just gonna have something quick to eat. I love my little routine where I wake up in the morning, I do my workout, and then I go for a long 45-minute walk after. And I enjoy doing that as soon as I wake up and not like having to get in the kitchen and make something and eat. Like I just like doing my little workout and walk first. So I'm probably just literally gonna drink the rest of this protein shake. I think it's like half full. So this is the rest of this chocolate protein shake. I'm gonna eat this now just to give me some energy and some nutrition. I'm gonna take my vitamins, do my workout, do my walk, come back, and we will start the day and eat some food. Also, I just wanna say I love this top so much. Like it is the cutest top ever, you guys. It's not like it's as thin as a t-shirt, but it's not as thick as a sweater. It's a little bit like a thicker shirt, so it's just like perfect for spring when there's a little bit of wind in the air. And I don't know, it's just cute. Like I'm wearing it right now with some high-waisted leggings. I'll throw on some sneakers, just go for a nice little workout and walk. It's cute. I have shown this shirt to you guys before, but in case any of you guys are gonna ask or if you're interested, it's from Amazon and I will link it down below. I don't know why I'm like rambling. I really woke up in a dead ass good mood this morning. Anyways, you guys, I have some good meals that I am planning to make today. I'm probably one of the most moody people like you'll ever meet. I always say that I have a million personalities because I literally do. Like I'm so moody. Like, am I gonna be shy today? Oh, am I gonna be wild? Am I gonna be a bitch today? Who's she gonna be? You never know. This might be a little wild, but I'm thinking of mixing in some of the vanilla because I just have like a little bit left over, you know? Normally I would just open one and drink one, but I have some left over of each. So. And I'm literally just gonna drink this, drink some water, take my vitamins, and then go for my walk. I'm actually not gonna do a workout today. I'm gonna take a break because I've worked out like 4 days in a row now. I enjoy my workouts and I honestly would have done another one today, but I do wanna edit this video like as I'm filming it type of thing, you know, get the party rolling, so. Okay, real quick before we go ahead and get on with the video, I do want to give a quick shout out to Skillshare. They are sponsoring today's video. I love Skillshare. I have been working with them for a while now. If you don't know what Skillshare is, they're an amazing online learning community. You can take so many courses. There are literally thousands of options. You can learn anything from graphic design to photography to food. Like there's so many just things you can learn. Finding new courses. For example, they have a really cool course right now that I'm interested in called YouTube Success, Shoot, Script, and Edit. It's also super affordable. A yearly subscription is less than $10 a month. If you guys are interested, I will go ahead and leave my link in the description box down below. The first 1,000 people to use my link down below will get a free trial of the Skillshare Premium membership. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and start going on my walk because I wanna go before it gets hot. It's starting to get to that weather now where it is getting hot, you guys. Like yesterday, I was sweating. So it's 22 right now. If I wait another 2 hours, it's gonna be 24. So your girl's gotta go. All right, so I will see you guys when I come back from my walk. First meal of the day, I'm keeping it super simple today and just having a little bit of bacon with some eggs, watching Desperate Housewives. You know what it is. I've been obsessed with it, you guys. Like I haven't watched anything else. I've even like had a few movies on my watch list. I'm like, oh, maybe tonight I'll watch a movie. Nope, never do. Just completely obsessed with Desperate Housewives. Anyways, I'm having some fruit on the side, some pineapple. These are perfectly ripe and there is nothing better than like when fruit is just at that perfect ripeness, you know? So yeah, bacon is going. So sometimes I do 2 eggs, but today I'm gonna do 3. So I'm gonna do 1 whole egg. Then I'm gonna do 2 egg whites. Couple cracks of black pepper and a little sprinkle of adobo, just a little bit. I used to like my eggs plain, but ever since I started making them this way, they're so perfectly seasoned. Like it's still so simple, but it's so good. So I put a little bit of spray oil in the pan and I'm just gonna chop my eggs in. I usually let it sit there for like maybe 30 seconds or so, and then I will go in with the whisk and like scramble it up in there.
Customers take gravity, might have some of the whack on it. I almost feel like I was born peace. I'm driving. This guy I'm driving. Yes. I was a little pissed. You were furious, but it's not.
And that's it. This is just what I'm gonna have. Super high protein and a lot of micronutrients in the pineapple. So yeah, I'm excited to dig in. So you guys know I love rice and I love coming up with like different seasoning combos for my rice. And I came up with this new one over like 2 weeks ago. And I'm telling you, it is so fire. So what I do is I just use chicken broth. But for today, I ran out. Like I only had a small amount. Then I had a small amount left over of the veggie broth, so I just ended up using some of this and then some water, and then I added this chicken bouillon just to kind of like mimic how it is with just this, if that makes sense. So if you're making this recipe, just use chicken broth, some basmati rice, some black pepper, some adobo, which is this right here, for those of you who don't know, and then I used some butter. And literally that's it. So simple. Butter, adobo, black pepper, chicken broth, basmati rice, and it tastes so good. I can't even explain it, but it literally tastes so good. Also, I always get questions on how to make my rice. I just make it in an Instant Pot, and then I do 1-to-2 ratio. So if I put 1 cup of dry rice, then I do 2 cups of liquid, and it's so easy in this Instant Pot. It is literally so easy. All right, we're switching over to voiceover real quick because the house was mad loud when I was filming this. So I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which is my absolute fave. And then I'm going to use some adobo, some sazon, some chili powder, some paprika, and some black pepper for the seasoning. And that seasoning, I'm telling you, is top-notch fire for the chicken. And this is how the rice turned out. I'm telling you, it was so delicious, so good. It is even better with just the chicken broth though, so definitely recommend that. Pan on medium heat. Do not put the pan too high or else it's just gonna burn. You're not gonna get that nice brown, you're just gonna get more burn, you know? So put it nice on medium heat, a little bit of spray oil, and leave it on the top side first, and you're good to go. Now I am making my Greek salad. You guys, I love this salad so much, and there's so much healthy fats in it with the olives, the feta. I am obsessed with cucumber in my salad, and lately I've really been liking them in like these little quarter shapes. So I'll slice it down the middle on both sides and then just slice it like that. It's so easy to chop. You don't even need to take like a cutting board and everything. Then I will just do some slithers of onion, and every 5 minutes or so, you know how like seasoning gets stuck at the bottom of the pan, and then you know you don't want that. You want all the seasoning on the chicken. So every 5 minutes or so, make sure you're like moving the chicken to grab the seasoning from the pan, and you'll see it sticks to the chicken. So good. You don't want to miss any of that seasoning. So yeah. Adding in some Kalamata olives, and then I'm going to put some feta cheese. I am using light feta cheese. And this has been my favorite salad dressing lately with my Greek salads. And look at how good this chicken looks, you guys. So I forgot to mention, you do want to cook it for just about 10 minutes on each side. You cannot tell me this does not look good. And the funniest part is I actually have leftovers, so I'm literally going to eat the same thing in about like 3 hours for dinner. So good. Then I'm going to show you guys this amazing dessert that I've been obsessed with. And when I posted it on Instagram, so many of you guys were like, oh my God, let me know what it is. These Fiber One bars are incredible. The fact that they have 5 grams of fiber is everything. I eat them on their own all the time, but put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and it is so soft and steamy. And then all you need to do is put 1 scoop of ice cream. Also, make sure you check the calories for different ice creams. You'd be surprised. Some of them are like double. Anyways, look at how good this is. So bomb. And it's only 150 calories. I was really shocked when I measured everything and did the math. Like, I was really shocked. I thought this would be like 250. It's only 150. So good. Okay, it's like almost 9 p.m., but I am craving some strawberries and whipped cream. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm actually glad that I'm using these up right now because they are super ripe. Like, I think they would have gone bad in another day or two. And this is the whipped cream that I use. I All right, so that is pretty much it for the day, you guys. It's already 9 o'clock, so this will be the last thing that I eat. It's just something that I'm craving. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I eat in a day, and I will see you guys in my next video.